Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Pumpkin puree preparation. Boil 3 cup water in the pressure cooker. Place steam plate. 1 kilogram clean, washed and chopped pumpkin. Close the cooker lid. Bring to 3 whistles and keep aside for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. Mash it with the help of fork. Pumpkin puree is ready. Can be stored in the freezer for a long time. Wet ingredients preparation. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup curd or yogurt, recipe in the description box. 2 tablespoons condensed milk. 1/2 cup milk. Mix it nicely. Keep it aside. Dry ingredients preparation. 1 cup wheat flour and 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup brown sugar or white sugar powder. 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon vanilla powder. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Combine everything nicely. Now gradually mix wet ingredients. One cup prepared pumpkin puree. Now take 1/3 cup vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it well. Add oil to the bread mixture. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds. Do not overmix. Add this mixture to bread tin. Tap it. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. If you do not have an oven, then you can also make it in a vessel. For this, check my recipe, no oven upside down banana cake. After baking, cover and cool it till room temperature for 1 hour. Delicious and healthy pumpkin bread is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.